What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What is money? More money, more problems. Well, yeah, if that's the basis of your existence. Ta-da! Money, prosperity, abundance is an energy, and it takes energy to get it. But not the kind of energy you think of as physical labor or that hard work mentality. It all comes down to knowing your vibration. Money is a form of a currency. Current is an energy. When we're in the hustle and paradigm of getting funds, making money, we're actually using energy, spent energy. Money comes to me easily and smoothly. I am a prosperous being. These affirmations and statements don't work unless you're in the vibration. You can tell who's in the vibration on how they speak. Let's look at this for a second. If I say, man, I'm trying to get it. Well, you're always in that try space. That space of maybe it'll happen or maybe not. Boy! I'm trying. If you're a person that says, oh, I always have money. Well, now the energy and the frequency changes. You're in the space of knowing that money is not a priority to you, and it is something I have like the hair on my head. Let's go to the example of I'm broke or I work hard for my money. All these statements are putting you in the vibration of you have to do something to get your funds. It has to be hard. Remember, money is energy. And what your vibration says about you is what you are doing to actually attract funds to you. Money is not hard. Currency ain't difficult. Your current state of mind is what's the problem. Message. Let's define current. Current is a flow of electrical charge carriers, usually electrons or atoms. So that means the stimulus in your body has to be changed in order for your flow to be in the right direction. And how do you change that stimulus? Thought. No, really, thought. Duty. The mind is all in the universe is mental. So in order to change your vibration, it starts with changing your thoughts, charging your thoughts. Not the charge you have when paying for something, but the charge that's stimulating your vibration for prosperity. Stop getting money the old way. Walk into the new wave of current and know everything is energy. Dream wise.
I'm talking about going to a whole nother level. Evolving. And you evolve by getting rid of the desire. See, right now you are stuck because you say my life is this way, but you want desire. See what I'm saying? You want desire. My desire is, I'm a God now, so my desire is limited. See what I'm saying? I can use all the shit I already accumulated. I got a house full of shit. I got a whole room full of fucking albums. 1,000 albums. Past 5,000. My brother rolled over goddamn 2,000. I listen to, shit is simple. I don't need all that. See what I'm saying? So my point here is why do I need all this stuff? Because that's still your ego trying to tell you you are nothing but less of a human until you acquire a certain amount of wealth. Even say that you exist. That's why when you die, your children get you to that shit in 2 months. All your little shit you thought was pretty. You've been breaking like a damn dog. They go for that shit in 2 months. Shit, you don't. You see what I'm saying? You get rid of these desires. That's when you attain. Me, it's like I can't. Not only that, I can't even think of what you be like. Goddamn, it's ready time came. What can we eat? I say nothing tastes good. I have to invent shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But I'm just trying to say, your goals or what you trying to business your ego, you're still trying to get something. Because you gotta realize you're still trying to do things. Some of y'all, I know niggas that man, they got niggas 80 years old still trying to get their whole damn life trying to get that shit. Nigga in a fucking wheelchair and a hook around. Let it go. Let it go. I'm just trying to say, you all got all these damn desires. Ain't nothing to lose with it. As soon as you get it, the thrill is gone. So it's just like when I thought, when I was in my 20s, I'm going to be this great shooter sign, I'm going to do this shit. When I went to damn New York, and this was before this shit happened, when I went up in that man's office and he said, pull down your shoes off that wall that you designed. And I pulled out my shoes and get paid. I came back home and my aunt said, man, you did it. How you feel? I said, I thought the stuff I was dreaming about, the illusion, I thought it was going to be greater than this. And now I think it ain't true. That's when I knew all this shit was an illusion. And you keep chasing it till you die. Keep chasing it till you die. Them bums out on the corner and figured out shit better than you. I wish I had a fucking. Be careful what you wish. You might be out of the goddamn But I'm just trying to say, you gotta simplify your shit, and then you go to the next level. I'm looking for the next. I be looking for spiritual events to happen. You know what I'm saying? I be looking for spiritual events. I'm looking for some miraculous shit. I'm through with the other little stuff. doing all my life. I'm through with all of that and stuff. I got 100 pairs of goddamn linen pants, $5 in Atlanta and shit. The neighborhood up. I got piles of stuff that I said, you got pants, and I don't wear them because why you wear the same pants? I don't want to heal. I got 2 or 3 pair of pants I rotate off because they heal. You know what I'm saying? Because I got 50 pair of pants and shit that I done got in the last 2 years, and I ain't healed blazing to him damn. But I don't have the desire to. Before it's look at me, look how pretty I look. I don't go to no goddamn club no more. I don't go to church to damn show off in some damn clothes. That's utilitarian. So I'm just trying to say, I'm out of that cheap. So I can't go to the mall. Understand what I'm saying? I can't go to the mall and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Nothing I want. So I'm just trying to say, once you get out of these desires you made, because what it is, the spirit wants you to get out of the desires because they want you. What that is, it's on a whole other damn level.